Good morning. Today I am going to present a video on ulcer. In this video we study ulcer under following heads: definition, etiology, classification, pathophysiology, clinical presentation, treatment, management and complications. So this video useful for a student as well as general practitioner. So first we start from definition. What is an ulcer? An ulcer is a discontinuity of an epithelial surface. An ulcer is a discontinuity of an epithelial surface as you seen in this slide. It may be external or internal. External ulcers occurs due to injury from external stimuli, may be solid or liquid. Internal ulcers like aphthous, stomatitis, gastric ulcer and or other ulcers develops due to certain causes. So we see etiology of an ulcer. Traumatic causes: vascular insufficiency, neoplastic conditions, metabolic diseases, malnutrition, inflammatory process, infective process and idiopathic causes. So traumatic causes divided into three groups: mechanical, physical, chemical. Physical causes is of two types: electrical and radiation. So mechanical causes due to external injury or trauma, and chemical due to chemical or acids. Vascular insufficiency is of two types: arterial vascular insufficiency and venous vascular insufficiency. Means ulcers occurs due to any abnormalities in arteries or veins, as like venous ulcer. Neoplastic conditions like overgrowth or malignant tumors. Metabolic diseases: diabetic mellitus. In worst condition of diabetes, diabetic foot or diabetic ulcer develops. Due to malnutrition, beriberi and tropic ulcers develops. Inflammatory process: cellulitis. Infective process: tuberculosis, syphilis and fungal infections. These three are examples of infective ulcers. Type of ulcer: non-specific and specific. Specific is tuberculosis, syphilitic or malignant. Non-specific ulcers are due to infection of wound or physical or chemical agent. So non-specific ulcer caused by physical or chemical agents, or wounds develops by physical or chemical agents. Topic ulcers: the word topic derived from Greek word piole, means nutrition. Due to lack of nutrition or improper blood supply or local as a fusion. The life history of an ulcer or pathophysiology of an ulcer. It consists of three phases: extension, transition, repair. In extension, This is the strain phase of an ulcer which contains indurated base, discharge is purulent and even blood stained. In transition phase, this stage prepare for healings, means healing starts in transition phase. Repair. This stage consists of transformation of granulation to fibrous tissue which gradually contract to form a scar, means repair ends in form of a scar, or a scar is the last process of repair of an ulcer. So an ulcer has three phases: extension, transition and repair. This is diagram of a healing ulcer in which both sides seems as slope or slipping phase or side. This is syphilitic or tropic ulcer. Appearance of syphilis or tropic ulcer is punched out or punched wound or punched ulcer. Undermined ulcers are examples of tuberculous or tuberculosis or tubercular ulcer. Rolled or hump, basal cell carcinoma. Everted is a squamous cell carcinoma. So these are the different stages or different types of the ulcer. According to Ayurveda, ulcers are caused by the heat generated due to an aggravated pitta dosha. So the first step to pacify pitta is to adopt a diet that does not aggravate this dosha. Avoid all heating foods like tea, coffee, spicy food, fried foods, and overly sour taste. So, this is the cause of ulcer according to Ayurvedic theory. According to Wagner ulcer classification system, ulcers divided into 5 grades. First grade, superficial diabetic ulcer. Second grade, ulcer extension involving ligament, tendon, joint capsule, fascia with no abscess or osteomyelitis. Grade 3, deep ulcer with abscess or osteomyelitis. Grade 4, gangrene to portion of forefoot. Grade 5, extensive gangrene of the foot. So this grade indicate the massive invasion or increased intensity or destruction of the muscle or muscular content during ulcer. Next classification is University of Texas wound classification. This divides ulcer into 4 stages. Stage A, no infection or ischemia. Stage B, infection present. Stage C, ischemia present. Stage D, infection and ischemia both present. According to grade 0, epithelialized wound. Grade 1, superficial wound. Grade 2, wound presents to tendon or capsule. Grade 3, wound penetrates to bone or joint. So these are the different Classification of ulcer. Nutritional requirement for wound healing. Normal diet required for normal growth and development. Any deficiency occurs in our diet, it leads to many structural changes. So, our diet for healing and proper management of wound, following ingredient or composition or component of diet is required, in which protein and amino acid that make up protein, energy, fluid, vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, copper, iron and other trace elements also helps in the proper healing of the ulcer. Homeopathic medicine. In homeopathy, medicine prescribed according to cause: Arnica montana, calendula, gunpowder, hypersulph, calibichrome, lachesis, merxol, natrum sulph, nitric acid, sulfur, tuberculinum, and or other medicine required for ulcer healing. Before prescribing homeopathic medicine, we determined cause: ulcer due to injury, malnutrition, acid peptine disorders, burns, or any other cause, or parasitic infection. So, management of an ulcer requires proper and regular dressing, bed rest or rest of affected part, nutritious diet, and healthy surrounding. Thank you. This is about ulcer. You like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.